Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment, with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G, as we continue to vibe with some classic foundation reggae music. Next up we have here, produced by Dennis Brown, and this is a tune that is done on the Dennis Brown label, Dennis Emmanuel Brown label, Dennis Emmanuel Brown Productions, and the artist is none other than Junior Delgado. You see, there's gonna come a time when many nah go get no yamin, because there comes a time of famine.
People, come together, yeah. People, tell you why I no guess, I guess. 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 Famine, yes Lord, famine. I have seen the signs of the time. I have seen the signs of the time. Tell you I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Famine, yes Lord.
Serious times. You just got to make sure that in this time you're prepared for anything, because there's just wars and rumors of wars. Every week or every month it seems like something is kicking off. So just prepare yourself as best as you can. So, because you never know, it could be a famine at hand. But we hope for the best. And we just hope that God will just continue to protect I and I. Saying, got you.
Famine. We've got no time to criticize. It's time we economize. We've got no time to criticize. It's time we economize. Tell you I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Famine, yes Lord. The kettles are dying, the people are starving, the rivers run dry, the sun is boiling. Tell you I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Yes, God, let me tell you. Famine coming, famine coming. Famine, famine, famine. Famine coming, famine coming, yes. Famine coming, famine coming, yes. Famine coming, famine coming.
In comes the version. No excursion. Rhythm. Bassline. Feel the music. Drum kick. Wicked dub version, I'm telling you, man. Feel the music. Don't refuse it, y'all. Famine. Yes, famine. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Tell you I no guess, I guess. Tell you why I no guess, I guess. Famine. Produced by Dennis Brown, y'all. Tell you why I tell you, I don't guess, I don't guess. Children of Israel, take heed and listen to the words of the prophet. Wages of sin is death now. Gift of Jah is eternal life. Truth is the fact and we all know that. So there's no need to build no strife while there is life against your brother and sister. Well, yes, yes, as you know, that's the same rhythm Dennis Brown, the Children of Israel. But yes, that was produced by Dennis Emmanuel Brown on the Dennis Emmanuel Brown label, DEB production.
What's the difference between selling on a market?
Don't do that. No disturbance. Yes, so that was on the Dennis Emmanuel Brown label, and the artist, as I said, is Mr. Junior Delgado. All right, not today or tomorrow, but Mr. Junior Delgado with a tune called Famine. So prepare yourself because you might run out of yamin. So Famine. Yes, a serious tune. I actually came across this tune a few years ago. It was a video that I came across on Instagram. It was a street dance in UK. And the sound system put this on the turntable, man. And I'm telling you, people leg up. People just lose it. And I mean, the bass line was just thumping. You know those sound systems in England? You know, they don't play around with the speakers, man. Some big old speaker box, many feet high. And a Rasta man was in the street, man. And him just a skank, I tell you, say, all the white ladies start get to me, I tell you, man. And I say, no, man, the tune heavy, man. Then I did my research and find out it wasn't today nor tomorrow, but it's Mr. Junior Delgado. Yeah, on the Dennis Emmanuel Brown. And it was such a surprise to know that, I didn't know that even Dennis Brown was producing artists. So it was, mind-blowing and good to know that, DB put in him work in many different angles in the industry scene. But yeah, that was Mr. Junior Delgado with Famine. Serious tune. And it's very relevant because, as you can see, you just never know what might happen. There's just so much things going on in the world right now. So many different crises, so many uncertainties. You just don't know from what angle something may hit. So the best advice I can give to the item and to myself is to be prepared as best as you can. You know what I mean? You can never be too prepared, but just be prepared as best as you can because you just never know what is at hand. Okay? Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Like, positively share, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep real, authentic reggae music alive. Yeah, we're going to keep it rolling to prevent you from scrolling. And next up now, we're going to jump into the Sizzler classic album, Black Woman and Child. Oh So Meek and Oh So Mild. Yeah, we're going to go for it track by track because this is where it's at on the solid foundation. Okay, so keep everything solid. Yeah, we're going to blaze the fire with some Sizzler now, yeah? Some classic Sizzler. And this is not the only Sizzler album I'm going to be doing a review because, you know, there's another one I'm going to touch up. I'm going to keep that as a surprise. But for now, we're going to get into the Black Woman and Child. All right? Tell you why I tell you, I no guess, I your guess.